Hello friends, today we are going to learn the new topic, that is graph of a linear equation in two variables, and that graph is a straight line. To draw the graph, you will have to plot the points on a graph paper. For that, you will have to find order pair which satisfies the given equation. That order pair represents the point, and that order pair is also the solution of that equation. Now we'll see the practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2. Complete the following table to draw graph of the equations. You will have to complete the table only. Do not draw graph here. Equation is x plus y is equal to 3. And this is the table. Value of x is given, that is 3. Value of y, you will have to find the value of y. And this is order pair is given. This is called the order pair. So first is the value of x and second is the value of y. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to what? Y is equal to what? 0. So we'll get the value directly here. Y is equal to 0. Here also. Here y is equal to 5 and order pair is not given. You have to find the value of x here. And equation is x plus y is equal to 3. Put y is equal to 5 in the given equation. So given equation is this, and you will have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 3 and shift this plus y to that side, it is minus y. Is equal to 3 minus, what is value of y? 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 is greater number, it's minus sign. So we get the value of x, that is minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 and here is the order pair minus 2 comma 5. And here value of y is given, that is 3, and order pair is also given 0 comma 3. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So value of x is 0. So put 0 here. So in this way you can complete the table. Question number 2 is solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. Simultaneous equation means two equations, and you will have to find the solution of two equations using the graph. So I will take first sum, x plus y is equal to 6, and second is x minus y is equal to 4. So I will take first equation. To draw the graph of these equations, you have to find the order pair of the equation. So first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. I will make the equation for y. Means what? Find the value of y, or find the equation of y, that is y is equal to 6. Shift this plus x to that side. It is minus x. Then take the values of x of your own. Put x is equal to, I will take 0. So what is the value of y? So y is equal to 6 minus value of x is 0. So 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Next, put x is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus value of x is 1. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then next, put x is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So this way we will get the order pair. I will make the table x, y, x comma y, so x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. First order pair is 0 comma 6. Second is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5, 1 comma 5. Third is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, so 2 comma 4. In this way you will have to find the three order pairs. Then We will draw the graph of this on the graph paper. Second equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Now we have to make the equation for y, but y has the minus sign. So you will have to change that minus to the plus, means you will have to change the sign of this whole equation. So plus x will be minus x, minus y will be plus y, plus 4 will be minus 4, and therefore y is equal to minus 4, shift this minus x to that side, plus x. Now put the values of x of your own. Put x is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 4 plus value of x is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 0, it is minus 4. Put x is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 4 plus value of x 1. Minus 4 plus 1, it is minus 3. Put x is equal to 2, so y is equal to minus 4 plus value of x 2, answer is minus 2. Then I will draw the table. So value of x is 0, value of y is minus 4, so 0 comma minus 1, this is the first order pair. Then value of x is 1 and y is minus 3, here is 1 comma minus 3, and the third one x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2, so 2 comma minus 2 is the third order pair. In this way we got the two tables, and then we'll plot the points on the graph paper, and then we'll find the solution of these two equations. So this is the first table and this is the second table. So we'll draw the graph on the graph paper. So I have drawn this horizontal line, that is x-axis, and this one is the y-axis, vertical line. So on the x-axis, on right side, there are positive integers, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, 5 and 6. This is origin, 0, left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. On the y-axis, upper side positive, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 and plus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here is x, here is x dash, y, y dash, scale is here. What is the scale? Scale on both axes, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Write with the pencil. This is the box. Okay. So we will plot the points. First order pair is 0, 6. So value of x is 0. That means this point is on the y-axis. Value of y is plus 6. So where is plus 6? Here. So this is the first point. Second is 1, 5. Okay, before that, this is the first quadrant. In first quadrant, you know that the sign of the coordinates are positive positive. In second quadrant, signs of the coordinates are negative positive. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and signs are negative negative, and the fourth quadrant signs are positive and negative. So first coordinate is x and second coordinate is y. Now here is +1 and +5. So where will this point will come? This point will come on the, both are the positive, so it will come in the first quadrant. So what +1 means value of x is +1 and value of y is +5. So +1 and +5, this is the second point. Third is +2 +4, means it is in the first quadrant, +2 and +4. So we got 3 points. I will draw the line. Draw the line. Equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Second table is first 0, -4. So value of x is 0, therefore this point is on the y-axis. So here -4. On the y-axis, where is -4? This is -4. So this is the first point. Second is 1 -3, means +1 -3, plus minus. Where is plus minus? Here is plus and minus. Plus and minus. So point will be here in the fourth quadrant. +1 means value of x, +1 and -3. So second point is here. Third point is +2 -2. So again it is in the fourth quadrant, +2 -2, +2 and -2. Then I will draw the line. Equation of this line is x minus y is equal to 4. I will write the coordinates of each point. The first point is 0, 6. Second point is 1, 5. Third point is 2, 4. Here first point is 0, -4. Second is 1, -3. And third is 2, -2. Now these two lines intersect at this point. So this point is called the point of intersection of these two lines, and it is the solution of these two equations, because this point is on the both lines. So I will find the coordinates of this point. So x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 1. And I will write here coordinates 5, 1. So this is our solution. So therefore solution is in bracket x, y is equal to value of x is 5 and value of y is 1. This answer must be written. Now I will take fourth sum. X minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. So first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 2. I will make the equation for y, but y has minus sign, we have to change it to the plus. So you will have to change the sign of the whole equation. So I will write minus 3x minus y will be plus y and plus 2 will be minus 2, and therefore y is equal to minus 2 minus 3x, shift to that side, plus 3x. Now put the value of, take the value of x, I will take 0, so y is equal to minus 2 plus 3, and what is the value of x? 0, 0 in bracket, so minus 2 plus 3 into 0, it is plus 0, so answer is, value is minus 2. Put x is equal to 1, so y is equal to minus 2 plus 3 in bracket, value of x, that is 1, is equal to minus 2 plus 3 1 are 3 plus 3, that is minus 2 plus 3 means 3 minus 2, that is 1, it is plus 1. Put x is equal to 2, so y is equal to minus 2 plus 3 in bracket, value of x 2, so minus 2 plus 3 2 are 6, answer is plus 4. So I will draw the table x, y, x comma y. So value of x is 0, y is minus 2, so first order pair is 0 comma minus 2. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to also 1, so 1 comma 1 is the order pair. Then x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, so third order pair is 2 comma 4. The second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, you will have to change the sign, because y has minus sign, plus 2x will be minus 2x, plus y is equal to plus 3 will be minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3, shift this minus 2x to the right side, it is plus 2x. We get the equation of y. Now put x is equal to 0, so y is equal to minus 3 plus 2 in bracket, value of x, that is 0, so minus 3 plus 2 into 0, 0, it is minus 3. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 3 plus 2, and value of x should be written in the bracket 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 1s are 2, and answer is minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Put x is equal to 2, therefore y is equal to minus 3 plus 2 in bracket, value of x 2, minus 3, 2 2s are 4, plus 4, plus minus minus, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 is greater number is that, plus 1. So I will draw the table x, y, x comma y. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3, first order pair is 0 comma minus 3, second is 1 and minus 1, 1 comma minus 1. Third order pair is like value of x is 2, value of y is 1, so 2 comma 1. This way we got the two tables. Now we'll draw the graph on the graph paper and we'll find the solution of these two equations. So these are the tables, x-axis and y-axis. So coordinates of first point is here 0 comma minus 2. So value of x is 0, so this point is on the y-axis. Value of y is minus 2, so minus 2 is here. Second is 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 means plus plus in the first quadrant, plus 1 plus 1. Second is 2 comma 4, both have plus sign, so it will come in the first quadrant. 2 comma 4, value of x is 2 and y is 4. 2, value of x is 2 and y is 4. We got the 3 points. Then I will draw the line. Equation of this line is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Then second equation, first point is 0 comma minus 3. So x is equal to 0 means this point is on the y-axis and y value of y is minus 3. So this is the point. Second is plus 1 minus 1. So plus minus plus minus. Fourth quadrant, plus 1 and minus 1. Third point is 2 comma 1. Plus 2 plus 1 means plus plus in the first quadrant. Plus 2 plus 1. I will draw the line. This is the second line. Its equation is 2x minus y is equal to 3. And point of intersection of these two lines is here. Here. And this point comes in the third quadrant. So both have the minus sign. So coordinates are minus 1 and minus 5. Minus 1 and minus 5. First is the value of x, that is minus 1, and second is the value of y, that is minus 5. So this is the solution of the given equation. So answer is, therefore solution is, variables are x and y, so x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma minus 5. Now I will take fifth sum, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7, and second equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So first equation, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Then we have to make the equation for y, but y has minus sign, change the sign, plus 3x will be minus 3x plus 4y is equal to plus 7. Minus 7 will be plus 7. Then shift this minus 3x to that side. So 4y is equal to 7 plus 3x. And therefore y is equal to 4 is multiplied, then it is divided. 7 plus 3x divided by 4. So we got the equation for y, that is 7 plus 3x upon 4. Now put the values of x. The values of x should be, the answer should be come that is divided by 4. Suppose you take the value of x 0, so what answer will come? 3 into 0, 0, 7 plus 0, 7, and 7 divided by 4, you will get 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, remainder is 3, 30, 4 sevens are 28, 4 5s are 20. You will get 1.75, and it is difficult to plot on the graph. So 0 is not there. So what value you will take? So I will take first, put x is equal to, I think 1. If 1, then 3 ones are 3. So 7 plus 3, 10, and 10 divided by 4, you will get 2.5. So we can plot this point on the graph paper. So put x is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to 7 plus 3, value of x is 1 divided by 4, is equal to 7 plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 4, 7 plus 3, 10 upon 4 is equal to 4 2s are 8, decimal point, remainder is 2, 2 in, and take the 0, 20, 4 5s are 20. So answer is 2.5. Now next, take the value of x minus 1. Then y is equal to 7 plus 3, value of x minus 1 divided by 4. So 7 plus 3 minus 1, 3 ones are 3, minus 3 divided by 4, 7 minus 3, 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Next is put x is equal to, which value you will take? 3, okay, 3. So y is equal to 7 plus 3 in bracket value of x 3 divided by 4. So 7 plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 4, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16, value is 4. So this way we got the order pairs. I will draw table here, x, y, x comma y. So first order pair is 1 and 2.5, 1, 2.5, 1 comma 2.5. Second is minus 1 and 1, minus 1 and 1. Third is 3 comma 4, 3, 4, 3 comma 4. This way we got the table of this equation. Now we will find the table of second equation. So second equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 2y is here, we have to change the sign. So minus 5x plus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore 2y is equal to 0, minus 5x will be plus 5x. Therefore y is equal to 0 plus 5x, it is 5x divided by 2. Now we will take the values of x, should get the answer. Put x is equal to, I will take 2, 5 to the 10, 2 5 the 10. Okay, I will take value of x 2. Therefore y is equal to 5, value of x is 2 divided by 2, 5 to the 10 divided by 2, 2 5 the 10. So value of y is 5. Put x is equal to, I will take 0. So what value we will get? Y is equal to 5u in bracket 0 divided by 2. 5 into 0, 0, 0 divided by 2, answer is 0. Third is, put x is equal to, I will take x is equal to, now here is 2, now I will take minus 2. So y is equal to 5u in bracket value of x minus 2 divided by 2. 5 to the 10, minus 10 divided by 2, answer is 2 5 the 10, answer is minus 5. Table is x, y, x comma y. Okay, so value of x is 2, value of y is 5. So 2, 5, first order pair is 2, 5. Third is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next is minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, minus 5. This way we got the two tables. We'll draw the graph on the graph paper and we'll find the solution of these two equations. So these are the tables. This is graph, x-axis and y-axis. Okay. First point is 1, 2.5. Both are positive. So it will come in. They are come in the first quadrant. Plus 1. Plus 1 means x, value of x is plus 1 and value of y is 2.5. So plus 1 and value of y is 2.5. So 2.5 will come between 2 and 3. So this is 2.5. So 1 and the 2.5 is here. Second point is minus 1 plus 1. Minus plus. Minus plus will come in the minus plus second quadrant. So minus 1 means x value of x plus 1 value of y. Minus 1 and plus 1. Second point. Third is 3, 4. Both are positive. So in the first quadrant, value of x is 3 and value of y is 4. 3, 4. We got 3 points. So I will draw the line. Equation of line is 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Next, second equation. First quadrant is, first point is 2, 5. So 2, 5 means first quadrant. 2, value of x is 2, value of y is 5. 2, 5 here. Second point is 0, 0. Both values are 0, 0. Means it is origin. So origin is this one. 0, 0. Next is minus 2, minus 5. Both are negative. Means they are come in the third quadrant. Minus 2 means value of x is minus 2 and value of y is minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 5. I will draw the line. Its equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. And this is the point of intersection. So solution is 1, first value of x 1, 2.5. 1, 2.5. Value of y is the 2.5. So this is the solution. Therefore solution is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2.5. Now you can verify the answer. How can you verify? I will show you verification. Actually it is not needed, but you can check your answer. Your answer is correct or not. So verification is, take the simple one equation. I will take the second one, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. So LHS. LHS is 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore 5 in bracket value of x is 1 minus 2 in bracket value of y is 2.5. 5 1 is 5 minus 2 into 2.5, it is 25 to the 50, and decimal point is before one digit. So 5u minus 5, answer is 0. It is your RHS. So here RHS is 0, so our answer is correct. This way you can check your answer. So practice set 1.2 is finished here, and remaining sums are for the homework.